Useful property of plastic. Plastic have many useful properties which make them material of choice for all sort of uses. Due to these special properties, plastic have many advantages over the traditional material like metal, wood and etc. for making various articles. The important property of the plastic which make them very useful material are: plastic is chemically unreactive. We know that metal like iron get rusted when left exposed to air and water. This is because metal are chemically reactive. Plastic are chemically unreactive. Plastic do not react with air and water. Due to this, plastic are resistant to corrosion. In other words, plastic are not affected by the weather. Plastic are also often unaffected by various chemicals, including acid and base. Since plastic are unreactive and resist corrosion, the plastic containers are used to store various kind of materials, including many chemicals. Plastic are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Plastic do not conduct heat or electricity, so they can be used as a insulator. Plastic being poor conductor of heat and they are used to where heat is to be kept away from the reaching our hands. For example, the handle of the cooking utensils are made up of plastic so that we can hold the hot cooking utensils safely. Since plastic are poor conductor of electricity, they are used as electrical insulator. For example, electric wires have plastic covering as insulation so as to protect from electric current passing through them. The handle of screwdrivers used by electricians are also made up of plastic because it is an electrical insulator. Electric switches, plugs and sockets also have plastic covers. Plastic can be molded into different shapes. Since plastic can be easily molded, they are used to make large variety of articles having different shape and size, such as buckets, mugs, furniture, chairs, tables, bags, seats, slippers, electrical fittings, toys, combs, toothbrush, and etc. The list is endless. Plastic are quite cheap and easily made. Plastic are generally cheaper than metals. Plastic can be also made with much more easier than metals. Due to this property, plastic are now widely used for making many of household and industrial articles, which were earlier made up of metals. For example, buckets used in our homes were earlier made up from iron metal sheet, but these days most of the buckets are made up of plastics. Plastic is light, strong and durable. Plastic have low density, so they are lighter than metal. Plastic also have good strength and they are durable. It is because of the lower price, easy availability, lightweight, good strength, durability and corrosion resistance of plastic that the plastic container are preferred for storing foods, water, milk, jams, juice and soft drinks, etc. Being lighter than metals, plastics are also used in car, aircrafts and spacecrafts. These are the useful property of plastics. Biodegradable materials. A material which get decomposed through natural processes is called biodegradable materials. Plant waste such as peels of vegetables and fruits, fallen leaves, leftover food stuff, etc. Animal waste, paper, cotton, cloth, woolen cloth, jute and wood are all biodegradable material. Biodegradable material root away with time and hence do not cause pollution in environment. Thus, biodegradable material are environment friendly. Next is non-biodegradable materials. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural process is called non-biodegradable material. For example, plastics, glass, tin, aluminum cans and other metal objects are non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable materials do not rot away, so their own and hence cause pollution in the environment. So non-biodegradable materials are not environmental friendly. From the above discussion, we conclude that two types of waste material are produced in our day-to-day life: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. The biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste in our home should be collected separately and disposed of separately. Plastics and environment. We have been using plastics in every walk of our lives. Most things we purchase from the market are wrapped in plastic or packed in polythene bags. As a result, plastic waste keep getting accumulated in our homes. Ultimately, their disposal becomes an environmental and health hazard. It is because of their non-biodegradable nature. That is, they cannot be decomposed by the action of microorganisms. They can take several years to decompose. The plastic bag carelessly disposed of clog the drains, choke the soil and hinder absorption of water by the soil. If it is eaten by the animals, especially cow, it chokes their respiratory system or forms a lining in their stomach and can be a cause of the death. Besides, the burning of the plastic waste is slow and does not get completely burned easily. It releases lots of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. How can the problem of the plastic waste be solved? It can be countered by two ways: by reducing the usages of plastic waste and recycling the plastic object. Recycle of plastic object involves collecting, sorting and processing of plastic waste to reuse it in manufacturing other products. In last few years, a network of rage pickers, waste collector, waste dealers and recycling plants for the collection of plastic waste has developed. It helps recycle approximately 60 to 80% of plastic bags generated as waste. Measures can be taken at individual and government level to control the millions of plastic wastes. The government has banned the use of plastic waste in some cities. Some municipalities such as Ladakh and Sikkim have also banned the use of plastic. The government can encourage the recycling and reuse of plastic. It can also enact the law to carry a warning label stating the dangers of plastic pollution on plastic wrappings and bags. What can we do to minimize the millions of plastic waste? We can take some measure to limit the harmful effect associated with the plastic. First, avoid the use of plastic as far as possible. Buy the products without or little plastic packaging. Use bag made up of cotton or jute or recycled paper when you go for shopping. Collect the dispose of biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes separately. Do not throw plastic waste in street, on pavement or in drains. Try to minimize the use of plastic materials. For example, use a steel lunchbox instead of plastic one. As a responsible citizen member, the 4R principle you have to use: reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. And the last one is develop environmental friendly habits. If you do this practice, then you can easily save the environment. Thank you for watching this video, students. I hope you understood everything. So try to practice at home and safely stay at home.